How to fix Realme mobile data not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can fix if mobile data is not working on your Realme Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, check whether the mobile data is enabled or not. So for that, you have to swipe down from the top of your screen to open up your quick settings panel, and here make sure you have turned on your mobile data. And if still it is not working, now you have to check for your signal strength. Ensure your phone has strong network signal. If the signal is weak, try moving to a location with a better reception. And if that still does not help you, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap restart and wait for the phone to reboot. And even after that, if still does not work, then you have to ensure the correct APN settings. The incorrect APN settings can prevent mobile data from working. So in order to ensure that, open up settings in your device. And here go to your network and internet. And now you have to choose your SIM card. Choose the SIM card. Scroll down a bit. And there you have to tap on access point name. Now check if the APN setting match those provided by your carrier. If not, tap on the add icon at the top. Or you can simply reset the settings to default. Now in order to add your access point, you can contact your carrier for the correct APN. And if that's not your case and still you're not able to use the mobile data in your device, then you can enable 4G or 5G network mode. So again, you have to open up settings in your device and then again get into the network and internet. Then tap on your SIM card, choose your preferred SIM card, scroll down a bit, and under preferred network type, you can choose 4G, 3G, whichever is available in your region. And if this still does not help you, try to reinsert SIM in another slot. Turn off your phone, switch your SIM card to another SIM slot, and restart your phone and test your mobile data. And also make sure that your SIM is properly inserted in your mobile device. And if that still does not help you, now you can reset your network settings. So go to settings in your mobile device and here tap on system. Then go to reset options and here you can reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. After that, confirm the reset. And once you have done that, your problem might get solved. And if none of these solutions work out for you, then you can call your carrier to check for the outages or issues with your account, and you can visit your Realme service center for further diagnostic. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.